whether you were going to
Yes.
come back to Mapua or magsasign ka ba sa
Yes.
MPBL because 'di ba Abra was interested and other teams are
Yeah.
interested.
Yes.
And what I heard, I think you can confirm this or not, was that may KBL interest also for you to play abroad. Someone even told me
Yes.
pa nga Mapua was so eager to have you back na they went all out talaga in terms of recruiting you back for one season. So can you walk us through the process of yung mga options that you had and also why you decided to come back to Mapua and how close were you to deciding nag-champion na ako? I mean kasi like for you
Yes.
nag-champion ka na, nag-MVP ka na, defensive player of the year, finals MVP. So parang okay, what else is there to accomplish? 'Di ba? Mag-pro na ako. I mean, my stock
Yes.
will never be this high. But what made you decide to come back?
Yung story doon, nung season talaga, sinasabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na this is going to be my last year. Kahit mag-champion man, kahit ano. But after nung championship, seeing all the alumni, lahat ng what we built, um, pinag-isipan ko din talaga lahat talaga. Like, it took me around like what, 2 months to decide. Like, mag-ask around sa mga family members ko, sa mga loved ones ko. And I used, their mga opinion nila, syempre iba-iba. And then, in-apply ko din yun sa akin. Eh. And then, sabi nila, syempre, number one, studies, makatapos ng studies eh. Kasi, hindi mo yung makukuha eh. But when MPBL came naman, parang tinatry nila ako yan. Eh. Sabi ko, if if yung if mag MPBL ako, like wala na akong option makabalik sa ano eh. Kasi tinanggalan nila yung SGL rule eh, makabalik sa Mapua. Then, syempre yung KBL, I signed with the manager there. With the agent there. So they told me na June or July pa yung ano, yung parang signing. Kasi dun ata yung matatapos around that time matatapos yung season nila eh. So dun
So
pa
for
lang
next
malalaman.
season ka na if ever.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
So, syempre para sa akin, wala pa rin kasiguraduhan yun. Pero yung sa Mapua, inisip ko like inaano ko yung lahat ng wini-weigh in ko lahat ng mga pwedeng mangyari. So, syempre, yung tumatak talaga sa akin sa huling decision ko is like yung number one is pag-aaral. Then number two is like to leave a legacy, not just winning a championship, but winning a back-to-back would secure me a legacy that even talks of like retiring jerseys to that
Mm.
level. So I know pro is there, like PBA is there, KBL is there, but one thing na hindi mo babalikan like yung college days mo, college career
Tama.
mo.